Sanjana, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Well, if you're new here, if you're seeing this face for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. And in today's video, I have created this very easy to do and yet glamorous makeup look because Durga Puja is just knocking at the door and I know we all are very excited. So yeah, if you want to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. So today here I am starting with the Biotic Bioneum face wash. It's a very nice and mild face wash and you can use any cleanser of your choice. So today I'm using this and I will also suggest you to clean your face first because it will help this makeup sitting better on your skin. Now I'm applying the Neutrogena sunscreen. You can use any of the moisturizer that you love, but if you're going out in the daytime, don't forget sunscreen because that is very important. Okay, once the sunscreen has been soaked up by my skin, I'm going for the Vadi lip balm. It's a very nice and affordable lip balm and I'm applying a good amount of it. So by the time of the makeup, the lip will be moisturized and ready for the lipstick. Now for my primer, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Pearl Pore Primer. I'm taking a generous amount of it. It actually helps with your open pores, but it doesn't actually mattify the skin, so it's perfect for every skin type. Now for color correcting, as we're going for a glam look, so color correcting is very important. I'm taking the purple concealer palette. It's a very nice palette. I will put all the links of the product down in the description box. And taking the peach corrector, I'm applying it where I have my dark circles, some of the acne scars and pigmentation, and I will blend this with a flat top brush. Okay, so once it's nicely blended, I'm going for the foundation, the Superstay foundation. I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. It's a perfect match for my skin tone. It's a full coverage foundation, but yeah, this foundation is tricky, you guys. You have to work slow and you have to take a small amount of it. Take a damp beauty blender and blend it properly. Blending is the game. The more you will blend, the more your skin look like your skin. So yeah, take your time and blend it into your skin. I'm just taking the foundation upwards into my hairline so that it looks more natural. Okay, so once my foundation is nicely blended, it's time for concealer and I'm taking the PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade 03 Sand, and it is actually tad bit lighter than my skin tone, but today we are going for a full glam look, so it's okay to use this. It will highlight my under eyes. I'm also applying this on some of my scars and then blending it out. The eyeshadows will pop more on the lighter shade. And here you can see I'm not dragging or swiping the concealer at all. I'm just pressing it right on the place so the coverage will be fuller. And to set the face, I'm using the Blue Heaven Sapphire Setting Powder in the shade 02 Natural. I know why the dogs bark always when I'm filming. Okay, moving on, I'm just dusting the powder all over my face, a very little amount of it, and just baking under my eyes so the eyeshadows fallout will be managed. And to groom my brows, I'm using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Top Down. At first, I just brushed down my brows to see the gaps and then I'm just filling in them. I'm not drawing them and then just brushing them upwards to keep them in shape. And for my eyeshadow, I'm taking the huge Delancey La Katrina palette. It has all the beautiful matte and shimmers and glitters that I need. I'm taking the earthly dark shade and I'm just applying it right above my crease and just elongating it a little bit. And next I'm taking the dark burgundy shade from the palette and I'm just at first patting the pigment and then blending it right below my crease line. I mean right below the shade that I applied first. At first I patted the pigment and then I'm blending it so no harsh lines are made. Then I'm picking up this baby pink wala matte shade with my finger because you know finger picks up the most of the pigment, and I'm just applying it on my inner eye area. Okay, so once the base is ready for the liquid eyeshadow, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I can't remember the shade. I will put all the links down below in the description box in case you want to check those out. And yeah, I'm just applying it right on the shade and then tapping it with my finger to make it look even more blended. And next, to add some twist, I'm taking the Blue Heaven Soft Kajal eyeliner. It's actually a kajal and it's in the color blue. It matches with my outfit. It will add some glam, so I'm just drawing a very little and thin wing, and later on I'm just merging it and elongating with a little bit with a small angled brush. Can you see the difference the kajal just added into my look? And to make it look even more sharper, I'm taking the same concealer that I used before and just cleaning the corners up to make it look even more better. I'm also elongating the wing in the inner corner to give it more depth. Now I'm applying the same kajal in my lower waterline, and later on I will smudge this with the same small angled brush. Okay, so next up again I'm taking the dark burgundy shade and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. Okay, next time I'm taking the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel in the shade Deep Brown and I'm just applying it on my brows, so all day my brows will be on flick. And I'm taking next the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. The shade name is Precious Petals and I'm just applying it on my brow bone and on my inner corner to highlight it. And next up I'm taking the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. It's in the washable variant. It's a beautiful mascara. I'm just wiggling the wand on my lashes to make it look even pop, but sadly it isn't available anymore, so you can pick up any mascara that you want, and I'm just putting on some falsies to add some glam. And as we are done with the eyes, it's time to dust off all the excess powder that I applied before. And next up I'm taking the Wet n Wild contouring palette. It's one of my most favorite palette, and I'm taking the bronzer shade and just bronzing up my face. Today I won't contour, I will just bronze up my face. But it's up to you. If you want to contour, then it's perfectly fine. I just didn't feel to do it. And yeah, next up for my blush, I'm taking the Sugar Mini Blush. It's a matte and beautiful blush. I picked up the shade Salmon Superstar. And yeah, I make those kind of weird faces up while applying blush. Don't mind me. And next up for my highlighter, I'm again taking the same Wet n Wild highlighter that I used before on my eyes. And I'm just applying it with a tapered brush, and oh my god, I love this highlighter. Can you see the glow it is giving me? And I'm taking it to highlight my higher points. Okay, it's finally time to seal all the glam into your face. So I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Fixer, and by the way, you can use any product that you want. I just used mine. You don't have to use the same product that I used. And yeah, now I'm lining my lips for the lipstick, so the lipstick application will be more better. And I'm taking the Mars Butter Stick. It's a non-transfer bullet lipstick in the shade Running Late. It's a beautiful nude kind of peach color, and I'm filling my lips. And but I feel that it is little bit too lighter for my eye look today, so I went ahead and picked up Rimmel London Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Troublemaker. It's a beautiful brown nude shade. It has cool undertones into it, and I just tapped it right above Running Late, and it turned out to be a beautiful unique nude color. And for that perfect Indian glam, I added a blue bindi. You can also skip this, or you can also do this. And yeah, here is the final look. I hope you will like the video. It was helpful for you. If this was, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such video. And you are thinking to recreate this very easy, simple and glam look, don't forget to mention me on my Instagram. I will put my ID right in the description box. And yeah, here is a close-up of the look. You can see my base is looking very flawless and my skin like, because I cleaned up my face before. So yeah, don't forget to clean your face for that smooth canvas. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, take care. I will see you in my next video. Tada, love you. डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे ओ गोरी, आएंगे तेरे सजना।